Kathy Shore is the co-president of Holliston Bloom. The proceeds from today, the auction over there, PJ didn't want to get in front of the mic. The silent auction over there, all the proceeds go to Holliston and Bloom and the community farm. So, Kathy, if you'd like to come up here and just say a little about Holliston and Bloom while she's coming up.
Good morning, everyone. Kathy Shore, co-chair of Holliston Bloom with my partner in crime, Cherry Fenton. So thank you. Thank you guys so much for coming out today. We really appreciate it. It's a lot of fun, and I'm sorry I smell like bacon grease. I think I just did 20 pounds of bacon, a few little things with me. So I wanted to thank you guys for last year's support for the symposium when we hosted 200 people in about 30 different communities all throughout the United States. They loved our town as much as we do, and they were very excited and said it was one of the best ever. So all of our work this year will be working toward being judged again in mid-July, and symposium this year will be in Lexington, Kentucky. So anyone is welcome to come to our meetings. Please help us with our planning projects. You can check us out on our web page, Holliston and Bloom, and also our Facebook page. This year's events, we're also going to be having a fashion show on May 20th. It's a Sunday. It'll be at Upper Town Hall. Please support that event. It'll be a lot of fun. We're having a spring stroll this year. We'll be participating in the spring stroll that the town does, so please look for our booths. We'll be selling some bricks. As you noticed, the end of school was taken down, so we're very excited that Steve O'Leary, the builder and developer, gave us access to the bricks, so we're going to be doing a fundraiser with the bricks. And Aaron Dowling here, Porter, did a beautiful ink rendition of the school that's going to be on these bricks, so it's going to be a fundraiser for $20. The mayor knows all of those details. The Andrews School had a gorgeous wooden sign that was on it that, I don't know if you guys remember that. It's huge, about as big as one of these tables. It was given to us, Holliston and Bloom, by Steve O'Leary, and that is something, Bobby had lots of people offering to buy that from him, and we felt that it was very important that stayed in town, so Holliston and Bloom has given that to the Historical Society, and it's going to be mounted in the barn there so that it stays here in town. We're also doing a fundraiser for historical circus signs that Bobby's been working on, so if you're in an antique home and want to get a sign, he'll help you research your date if you already don't know it, and we're using that also as a fundraiser. So we're really working on town beautification projects, but also historical preservation, because we think that's very important in Holliston. Also, we're going to be planting, and you can check out that the dates also on the May 20th, and cleanup most likely May 5th and 6th. And townwide cleanups, and you can check out all those details on Holliston Reporter, our website, and the monthly newspaper that we comes out. Did I forget anything?
I just tell you now, if you have a historical home and you want a circus sign, I do have a record of the research that was done when the historic district was done. So if your house falls within the historic district, I do have that.
See Liz Greendale,
You need to know the year.
town clerk. Yes. So Bobby wrote me down what I'm supposed to say, so I'm just making sure I'm all set before I go. All right, guys, have fun, eat a lot, and
And Crystal Westland was supposed to be here to give a little talk about the community farm and what we're doing up there, and the barn up there, the residing is almost complete. We're moving on. The downtown Marigold project has offered to help the farm put up a big greenhouse. So we'll have tomatoes in there. If the weather ever breaks, we've got 3,000 daffodils planted up there. And I was just told that we had an offer for someone to redo the septic system up there, which, you know, where bears go, they have to go in the woods, so and we couldn't put it in front of the building because it's next to someone's well, so it has to go in the back. Our cameraman over there, Mr. Solomon, was nice enough. He's coming up with some plans for the thing. I was told not to divulge the other person that is going to do the septic system. But that person also has leftover restaurant equipment, which will help with the kitchen up there. So that's it for now. We're going to let you eat. We will come back and listen to wonderful guitar music by our state representative, Carolyn. She's been practicing all year long, so it ought to be quite the treat. Okay, if you'd like to start down there, enjoy your breakfast. I think he's got black and white pudding up there. Anybody like that stuff? I don't. Okay. Get in line, folks.